Hello friends, I am Deepanshi Sharma. Welcome to my YouTube channel Genius Deepanshi and I hope you are doing well. Today I will discuss this pattern and in this pattern we used nested for loop to understand this pattern. Firstly we create outer for loop and in this outer for loop we take 0 as lower limit and 5 as upper limit, and inside this outer for loop we create another for loop that is called inner for loop, and in this inner for loop we take 5 as lower limit, I as upper limit and -1 as the step value, and inside this inner for loop we print I mod 2, and I is a variable of outer for loop because this is a row wise pattern and in each row 0 and 1 numbers are repeated in an alternative way, and outside this inner for loop we used empty print function for cursor to the next line. When completing each row cursor will move to the next line. So when you run this program the accurate output is shown as below, and there is no error in this program because it is an efficient and simplest code and easiest way to understand and learn this pattern program. So I hope कि आपको ये समझ में आया होगा कि इसमें कैसे हमने वर्क किया है, नेस्टेड फॉर लूप का यूज़ किया है और आउटर फॉर लूप को हमने 0 से इसलिए स्टार्ट किया है क्योंकि फर्स्ट रो में आपको प्रिंट करना था यहाँ पे 0 1 0 1 0, मतलब यहाँ पे वो वाइज ना पैटर्न बनवा है और ईच रो में आपका नंबर्स कॉन्स्टेंटली रिपीट कर रहा है. तो हम इस पैटर्न को बनाने के लिए मॉड्यूल ऑपरेटर यूज़ किया. मॉड्यूल ऑपरेटर ऑलवेज गिव्स और रिटर्न रिमाइंडर. सो आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड. If you have any query or any question regarding this pattern, you can text me in the comment section, and I hope you all guys really enjoyed this pattern programming series that is totally for beginners who eager to learn patterns. Like, share and subscribe our channel Genius Deepanshi, and thank you for watching and have a great day and move ahead and thank you.